Hey friends, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'll be making a happy birthday card, a stamped happy birthday card. I'll be using the Crafter's Companion stamping platform and magnetic base. It's the 8x8 grid. It provides consistent precision stamping, and I'll be using this. So if I don't get it stamped right the first time, I can re-stamp it. Okay, I'm using that. I'll be using this kind of ink. I'll be using this stamp here, that I got from Michael's. And I got this for $3 when they marked it down. And this is all the ones that came with it. And this is the ones I'll be using the truck. This is all the ones that came with this stamp set from Michael's. It's a Michael's brand. I got this sticker. See, it was $19.99. They had it marked down to $3. I'll be using the little card right here. And I'll also be using this Happy Birthday from Diamond Press. It came with the spinning pop-up card, die cut, and stamp set. I'll be using the Happy Birthday here. First, I'm going to stamp out my truck. I said I'll be using this truck here. And I'm going to be using scrap paper. That truck right there. And I'm going to use this scrap paper here that I got to make my card. And this is a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of 110 cardstock. I just fold it in half. And I'm going to set my paper up here and use my magnets. I'm just going to stamp my truck on this green cardstock. And then I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. And then when you press down on it, it sticks to it. Then your stamp sticks to this here. And then I'm going to take black ink and I'm going to ink it up. What I like about this, if you don't get it stamped right the first time, you can re-stamp it again until you get it stamped right. Then you just press down. Try to get all the ink on it. And that looks like it's stamped pretty good. I'm going to take my wipey and wipe that off. It's easy to clean up. I'll just wipe this off so it don't dry on there with a baby wipe. I'll set this over to the side, let it dry. Then I'm going to take my scissors and try to cut it out. Try not to cut it too close to the black because you won't be able to see how I stamped it. I'm going to fussy cut it out. Some stamps come with dies, but this one don't. I just cut out the truck, and then I'm going to use this for my card. This is going to be a man's birthday card. And there it goes. I cut that out. And then I'm going to take my cardstock. I'm going to put them, I'm going to use that again, but use it later. I'm going to get my cardstock, and then I'm going to adhere this to the, I'm going to do like this. Get my glue. I'm going to add some glue on the back. This is pretty good glue here, I think. I use this a lot. Then I'm going to just try to line it up right about here on the card. The best I can. I think I'm going to take, see, that's got like a embossed look. This paper here, this scrap paper that I got from Walmart, and that scrap paper pack that I made a video of, and take and put glue on the back of here. I think I got too much glue. And let's try to space that right in the middle. You want to try to make sure it ain't got no air bubbles. I really need to be using this, make sure I got all the air. Burnish it down. Then I'm going to take this piece and put about there. I want to leave enough room so I can stamp the sentiment down at the bottom. Let's see. I'm going to use this sentiment here. It's going to be a happy birthday card. Make sure I leave enough room for this. So about there would be good. Yeah. So that's going to have to go about like that. Yep. I got all this glue on my dust here. I have to wipe that off. put glue all around it. I just want a little bit of that pattern paper to show up around the edges. Okay, I got that. And this card is going to go like right about here. I need to get my pop dots. I'm going to use some of these adhesive pop dots for the back of this card. I like little dots to pop it up. I think it's good to add a little bit of glue to it. These are adhesive, but sometimes they come off. See how it looks like it pops up? Put one in the middle. And then you got to peel this off because it's got another sticky thing on it. So it can stick to the card. I'm not that good making men's card, but and we're going to like face it like a little bit like this. There we go. And then I'm going to stamp this here. Let me get my magnet. I'll line it back up there. And then I'm going to use my magnets to hold it down so it won't move. This is good at this magnetic board. I mean, stamping platform. It's good keeping where you wanna put your stamp. There we go. And I want to use one of these borders on here. Let me see if I can find it. I know I got a border somewhere. I'm going to use this border right here to go on the side right here. So I'm going to put this here. Let me see if that's going to be even. Let's make sure. So when I stamp it, I want it to be even. Here it goes. Okay, I'm going to ink this up. Going to ink this and this up. That's if you don't get it right the first time, you can get it, re-ink it. And then just press it. There we go. I'll wipe this off again to get the ink off these. This cleans up pretty easy with the baby wipe. Got a lot of ink on it. Okay, I got that. And that's about it. I think I got a little bit of smeared ink. If I smear it, I try to take a little. Try to get them little smears off of it. I try to take a little smear there. I don't like that. It bugs me to have that little smear on it. So that's my card. And I just leave it blank so when with the you can write your own message in it. And that's that one. This one here, let me cover this ink up. And these are really nice to have if you like to do stamping, and because if you don't get it right the first time, you can redo it. And oh, this magnet really sticks to it. And you can just re-stamp again. So let me show you the other card that I made. I made this one with green cardstock and the black. And these are all scrap papers that I had. And I made the blue one. This was scrap paper that I got from Walmart, these here. And this was scrap paper I had left over from another project. And these are men's cards. Happy birthday cards. And I really like the stamps that I got at Michael's for $3. I always try to get it marked down. I'm more into the blue car. Which one do you like, the blue or the green? This is my easy card for Friday. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.